Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a kitchen gadget that promises to simplify your cooking and elevate your countertop aesthetic, the Our Place Dream Cooker. This isn't just another multi-cooker. Our Place has carved out a niche for itself with beautifully designed, highly functional kitchenware, and the Dream Cooker, in its striking blue salt finish, certainly looks the part. But does it cook as beautifully as it looks? Let's find out. Right off the bat, the Dream Cooker boasts a 4-in-1 functionality, covering pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing or searing, and a keep warm function. This versatility is the core appeal of most multi-cookers, and Our Place emphasizes that this is designed for everything from your weeknight dinners to those larger weekend feasts. The 6-quart capacity is a good size for families or for batch cooking, which is always a bonus for busy households. One of the standout features here, according to Our Place, is the streamlined touchscreen control panel. They've opted for a simpler, tailored approach, moving away from a plethora of confusing presets. Instead, you can customize your cooking by adjusting time, temperature, and mode. This is a refreshing idea. Many multi-cookers come with so many buttons and pre-programmed settings that it can feel overwhelming. The promise of effortless control through intuitive adjustments is very appealing, especially for those who might be intimidated by pressure cooking. Speaking of pressure cooking, safety is always a paramount concern. The Dream Cooker features an auto steam release function, meaning you don't have to manually manage the steam. This hands-free operation, combined with what Our Place states are 9 built-in safety features, aims to bring a new level of confidence to pressure cooking. This is a big win for anyone who has been hesitant to explore the speed and efficiency of pressure cooking. It's designed to be easy for both beginners and seasoned users. The inner pot is another area where Our Place emphasizes thoughtful design. It's a ceramic non-stick interior, notably made without PFAS. Effortless food release is key to easy cooking and, crucially, easy cleaning. From sticky rice to hearty braises, a good non-stick surface makes a world of difference, and knowing it's made with healthier materials is a definite plus. Beyond the cooking functions, the Dream Cooker is presented as a countertop-ready appliance. Its sleek exterior, stay-cool surfaces, and compact footprint are designed to make it an attractive addition to your kitchen, not something you'll want to hide away in a cupboard. In a world where kitchen appliances are increasingly visible, the aesthetic appeal of the Dream Cooker is clearly a major selling point, and the blue salt color is particularly lovely. So, let's break down the pros and cons based on these details. On the pro side, the design is a huge draw. Our Place excels at making functional items beautiful. The blue salt color and overall sleekness mean this appliance won't be an eyesore on your counter. The 4-in-1 functionality offers great versatility for a wide range of cooking needs. The focus on simplified, customizable touchscreen controls is a welcome departure from overly complicated interfaces, and the auto steam release, along with the multiple safety features, should make pressure cooking more accessible and less intimidating. The ceramic non-stick pot is also a significant advantage for both cooking performance and ease of cleanup. And finally, the 6-quart capacity is well suited for most households. Now, for the cons, or at least areas to consider. While simplified controls are great, the lack of specific presets means you'll need to have a bit more knowledge about cooking times and temperatures for different dishes. This is where the effortless control might require a slight learning curve for absolute beginners. While it has 4 modes, it's important to note that it doesn't include some of the more advanced functions found in some other high-end multi-cookers, like specific yogurt making or sous vide capabilities. The ceramic non-stick coating, while beneficial, can sometimes be less durable than traditional stainless steel or cast iron inserts if not cared for properly, and it's important to follow the manufacturer's cleaning recommendations to maintain its effectiveness. Finally, as with many aesthetically focused kitchen appliances, the price point might be a consideration for some consumers. In conclusion, the Our Place Dream Cooker appears to be a well-designed, versatile multi-cooker that prioritizes ease of use, safety, and aesthetics. If you're looking for an appliance that can handle a variety of cooking tasks, from quick pressure-cooked meals to slow-simmered comfort food, and you value a clean, attractive design that can live on your countertop, the Dream Cooker is definitely worth considering. The simplified controls and focus on user confidence, especially with pressure cooking, are significant advantages. Link in the description.